Samsung has initiated the One UI 8 beta program for Galaxy S25 users across multiple regions. The beta version is now live in the US, UK, Germany, and South Korea through the Samsung Members app. In contrast to the troubled One UI 7 rollout, which faced repeated delays and performance setbacks before eventually achieving a stable release in April 2025, Samsung is implementing an entirely new strategy for One UI 8. The company is targeting an ambitious summer 2025 stable release window, potentially arriving as early as July, several months ahead of its usual autumn upgrade cycle. This accelerated development roadmap aligns with Google's earlier-than-expected Android 16 launch, slated for June 2025, positioning Samsung among the first manufacturers to deliver the latest Android experience to consumers. According to a source at Samsung, internal teams are rapidly fine-tuning One UI 8 based on Android 16. The firm is eyeing a July to August 2025 launch, in sync with Google's advanced Android 16 timeline expected for June 2025. The aim is to release One UI 8 in record time, without compromising on reliability or feature richness. An insider disclosed, Samsung absorbed crucial insights from the One UI 7 setbacks and is applying those lessons for a more streamlined, accelerated release. When questioned about Google's involvement in this fast-track development, the insider simply responded, "Yes, a clear indicator of deepened Samsung-Google collaboration." This partnership enables faster integration of Android 16 innovations, such as the new native desktop mode previewed at Google I/O 2025. This bolstered cooperation places Samsung ahead of its rivals. The timeline also aligns with Samsung's upcoming foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, scheduled for launch in July 2025. These handsets will debut with Android 16-based One UI 8 pre-installed. The stable build, set for July to August 2025, will roll out initially to the Galaxy S25 lineup, followed by other premium models like the Galaxy S24, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6, with mid-range devices receiving the update thereafter. By prioritizing speed, consistency, and innovation, Samsung signals that it's moving beyond simply keeping up. For the company, One UI 8 is more than just a system upgrade. It's a strategic evolution that could reshape how Galaxy users anticipate future releases. The complete One UI 8 deployment will deliver an intelligent AI experience designed to simplify everyday tasks by enhancing the AI functions first introduced with the Galaxy S25 range. There are three core pillars enabling this: multimodal interaction, a UI optimized for varied device types, and individually tailored smart suggestions. Smart multimodality lets you engage in fluid, contextual conversations with AI that understands what you're currently viewing. The updated UI is tailored to adapt across different Galaxy form factors, boosting productivity and usability across devices. One UI 8 will also detect your context and offer personalized, proactive suggestions aligned with your daily habits. Features like Now Bar and Now Brief will provide customized insights and prompts to help manage your schedule and streamline your routine using curated AI intelligence. This intelligent AI capability didn't materialize overnight. It's made viable by robust privacy infrastructure. Samsung Knox Vault integrates a dedicated security processor and isolated memory to separate vital personal data from standard user content, ensuring it remains inaccessible to unauthorized physical or remote attempts. One UI 8 now provides flexibility for users to opt into fully on-device data processing. Since most Galaxy AI functions utilize both local and cloud-based computing, the system is designed with transparency and user control in mind, enabling a personalized AI journey without compromising data protection. One UI 8 isn't only about infusing artificial intelligence. It also introduces intuitive features that make everyday mobile experiences feel more seamless. Auracast 3, an advanced audio broadcasting technology based on Bluetooth LE audio, offers hassle-free sound sharing via QR code scanning. This allows multiple Auracast-enabled devices, including the Galaxy Buds 3 and compatible hearing aids, to connect to a shared audio stream with zero complex setup. Support services at Samsung's repair centers will also become faster and more convenient thanks to new QR and NFC-based diagnostics, integrated directly into your Samsung account. You can now register your device using QR or NFC, eliminating form-filling delays and expediting service requests. The Reminder app becomes a more helpful travel planner with streamlined functionality. For example, if you're organizing a family holiday to New York, you can manage all your tasks in one place the moment you launch the app, designed with an intuitive UI that's user-friendly even for first-time users. You can also publish your travel checklist with a single tap. When your hands are full of shopping bags, simply use your voice to add reminders on the move. It's fully voice-enabled. Sharing memories with loved ones will now be simpler than ever, thanks to the enhanced Quick Share function. A single tap on the Quick Share shortcut in the Quick Settings panel lets you rapidly send and receive files. The next era of Galaxy AI begins now. Join the beta via the Samsung Members app to be among the first to experience the full potential of One UI 8. Now, 3 features I love in the One UI 8 beta and one I don't. When I woke up this morning, I didn't expect to find the One UI 8 beta ready to install on my Galaxy S25. Yet, that's exactly what happened. With a coffee in one hand and my S25 in the other, I spent my morning downloading Samsung's latest beta firmware. One UI may 8th not be as significant a leap as One UI 7 was, but that doesn't mean it lacks compelling enhancements. After using the beta for the past 24 hours, I've spotted several impressive upgrades. Here's what I love, and one aspect that frustrates me. My top favorite new feature in the One UI 8 beta is, without question, the new 90/10 split-screen multitasking mode. Technically, this stems from Android 16 rather than a Samsung-exclusive tweak, but since it's absent in the Android 16 QPR1 beta, this marks our first hands-on look. One UI 7 already supported various split-screen configurations, but the most extreme option maxed out at a 70/30 layout. While functional, it often left one app looking cramped and hard to navigate. With One UI 8's 90/10 configuration, you can now keep one app in nearly full-screen mode, while the second app appears as a small strip at the top or bottom. Toggling between them is as easy as tapping. It mimics the open canvas approach seen on OnePlus devices, and I absolutely love it. This lets me focus on one app's full UI without sacrificing access to the other, which remains only a swipe away. It's by far the most efficient way I've used split-screen multitasking on Android, and I'm thrilled to finally see it on Samsung's platform with One UI 8. For the past few months, Google Tasks has been my default to-do list and reminder tool. That likely won't change anytime soon, but the updated Samsung Reminder app in One UI 8 has definitely caught my attention. Samsung has overhauled the app's homepage, with a standout upgrade being the introduction of new categories at the top. That's everything we've discovered so far. As always, we'll keep you in the loop with fresh updates as they become available. Thanks for watching.